Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Before I get into this video, I just want to thank everyone who has already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and support. I appreciate it so much. And if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and join my channel. So for this video, I actually wanted to do a little prank on my sister. So I had this idea that I'm gonna make her drive all the way to our appointment. It's a pretty long drive from where we live, so I want to do a little prank, and I came up with this little poster thing. I'm gonna put it actually in behind my van before she wakes up, so that way she doesn't sees me putting it. So I decided to do this video because she finally agreed to do like a little vlog with me, and since it is gonna be a long drive, we have a lot of time to vlog and get her reaction to this prank. I hope she doesn't get mad. Well, she might a little bit. She might get a little upset, mad, whatever, but it's fine. Sister, I love you, but I think you deserve a little prank. So stay tuned for that. I will see you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Stefania, and for today's video, we are gonna vlog. I say we because today we have a special guest, my sister, aka my twin, according to people. So you want to quickly introduce yourself?
Introduce myself?
Yeah, just talk. Don't don't look at the camera.
Guys, if I crash, it's of her. I thought this vlogging life was easy. It's not, guys. It's not. We can't have music, guys, because we get copyrighted. So come on, YouTuber.
Sorry. What? Excuse me if like the camera is all over the place, but it's because it's her driving.
Bitch, I hate driving. I told you. Ándale, señora. Oh my god, this shit's packed. I think I have like two rewards. That's 30. Damn, what an angle, man. Can you just drive?
No.
Are you driving back?
I'll drive on the way back.
Alright.
I really think we don't look alike.
Who says we're twins? Everyone. Are you serious? You were waiting.
Comment down below if you think we look alike.
Púrale.
Persínate.
Damn, people.
Persínense por su vida. As we are on our way to get our laser hair removal. We recommend it because honestly, after getting it done, you don't gotta worry about being hairy. You can get hair removal anywhere you want. Anywhere. When I mean anywhere, it's anywhere. Right? She's been saying she's gonna start her YouTube channel. For about
I have videos in my phone.
2 years.
I just never put them out.
I think she just
hurry up.
change lanes.
No, there's a car coming.
Put your light.
Bitch, the guy got all scared. He's like, that's why you don't let a bad bitch drive.
We will. Alright then.
What the fuck, bitch? I'm not even in your lane. Stupid ass.
Damn, you're so aggressive.
That guy's stupid. Why did he honk? I wasn't even doing anything.
You're driving so bad, dude. That's why I'm making her drive more so that she can get used to it. You know?
I got my mains for like independent. The only thing I just
spell independent. Go. Spell independent. Go.
No.
Go.
I need to sing the song.
Come on, guys. Everybody put a thumbs up if you want her to spell independent.
Bye.
Go.
No.
Spell it.
INDEP. You know what I mean?
She got lost. To this day, she cannot
Dad,
spell
stop kissing my ass.
independent.
I can't, honestly. I had to write it down.
Where are you going slow or what? Why is he tailgating you? Wait, you have a car in the front, dude. You're driving too slow.
Bitch, how the fuck you want me to pull up if there's a fucking car in front of me? I'm already going 85.
Oh, you're gonna get a ticket.
Well, that's not my fault, bitch.
Respect your rules, laws, whatever.
Respect my elders? No, they're fucking honking over here. I don't give a fuck. If they want to get down, then we get down. Wait, cut that out.
You're so aggressive.
Did I forget you're fucking vlogging?
You're so aggressive, dude.
Dude, like, what the fuck do they want me to do? Like, I'm going at 85, there's a car fucking braking. And then he's over here kissing my ass. What the fuck? He still wants to honk.
You're my one. You're so dumb.
It's true.
Oh my god.
Oh, cut the
what?
I was gonna honk back at him, honestly. I was.
Trying to fight in the freeway and shit. Alright then! Let's get down there!
Park my truck right now! My school bus!
I take off.
You leave me right there!
You got that hurt, not me. Bye. I got an appointment to go to.
Fucking I call you from jail. Hey bitch, come pick me up.
Damn, dude. Don't blame others for your actions.
Dude, it was him. Like, he was being a fucking jerk. Like, what the fuck, man? Oh, that's all there is. Like, it's the time again. Dude, that's 2 times that they honked. Hi, baby.
Niña normal.
The familia Peluche didn't come after us. Chill.
Relax. You think we're gonna get freaking copyright for everything we say?
Chill. I'm sorry, sir. Don't need to honk. No need to honk. This was my fault.
No need to honk. I know.
This one I know. This was my fault, sir. No need to honk, Mini Cooper. I take full responsibility. I thought he was gonna start honking. Just because there's a guy too, and I'm like, no need to honk.
I'll take the blame. I'll take it.
Ay, Dios mío.
Is there like no people or what?
It's empty today, huh?
Yeah, you got lucky. You're mean.
Oh. I was too busy over here. Sorry, bro.
I about that. Park, al revés.
Oh, no. ¿Pides mucho?
Ya, park al revés
Fecha
para
no
que...
la puerta de revés.
O sea, aprende a ir aquí en ese. Para salir más directo. Or like this, right here. Go like this and then luego te metes para allá.
How? It's like to make my life more...
Nomás sigue las lines. That's why you have your freaking mirrors right there.
Honestly? Look.
Yeah.
No mames, there's a car coming.
That's fine.
I'll pretend I'm getting out. He's laughing, look. He was laughing! You didn't see what he did? Damn, dude, be cheeky.
What are you doing?
Se me va a echar encima. Hold up. I'm gonna hit your truck.
I'm gonna pretend.
Dude, let me hit those like this. I was like, sir.
He knew. He or she.
It was a guy. Look, you fucking... All these guys me esta pinche mensa. I went to the YMCA. I don't know where you're going. That was your fault, stupid. You know
Why?
what? Fuck you.
I told you how to do it. And I mean, all you could have done was just wait for to let him pass, and that's it. How is that so hard?
Sí, esto se me quedó viendo.
Pues que te vean.
And
It's
I'm
because
sorry,
you're
sir.
famous now. Look how the lines are. Diagonal.
You gonna come
Yeah.
back right now? Yeah.
Oh, you're back.
Ahora sí no va a salir.
I mean, just follow the lines.
What lines?
You see the parking? Like, como están los parking spots?
Tell me
Look, así, por up allá. You probably go that way. No, that way. That way. Okay, now, go like that. Ahí están las lines, ahí está.
Yeah, because he
There
did.
you go, you see? I did something good for you
What you
today. You learned how to park. Pa allá,
Really?
pa allá, poquito pa allá. No, that way. Ooh, that way.
Wait.
You gotta go. Don't take the tree. Alright, so we're back.
And we're going to Starbucks again.
And we are on our way to Starbucks again because this too, not good. They're gonna give us chorrillo right now.
Is this Mongolia?
No, tú eres Mongolia.
Dumb fuck.
She's been so nice, guys. She's driving us
In the middle
back
of the street.
home. She's a cool, nice sister.
Oh, honey, I always.
I had to put my hair up because I was looking like a lion.
I don't know how these streets work.
You look weird.
Yeah, look.
Well, if you're coming from that
Yeah,
side,
you can. Isn't that car?
are you sure? No, but that car was coming from this side right here.
Fuck, how am I
No,
gonna do
you
it?
can't.
How am I gonna do it? Why the fuck is he honking? Like, can I move forward? I don't know.
Thinking, yeah.
So why was the fuck was he honking?
I don't know.
Oh, fuck. People like this. La chota.
Right there.
No,
Yeah,
see,
see?
we
You're
would have gotten
legal.
stopped.
You're legal.
We would have gotten stopped by then. Yeah, we would have gotten stopped.
La chota.
I sounded so ghetto.
Imagine there's no like.
I thought that was a drive-through bitch.
Wait, so we have to get off.
We're back on the street. Hey guys, where do we go? I guess
That
I'm
was-
over here. Find the damn
Sorry,
freeway.
guys.
Dude, imagine that couple that stopped us. Sir, I thought this was a drive-through Starbucks. I'm not even
We are looking for a drive-through Starbucks.
Oh, move forward, sir. Move forward. Move forward, don't be a bitch. Oh my god. So you're fucking awesome. I really want to go to Disneyland. You get our passes when we pay for
Well, I think I think it's just better to.
Did they honk at me?
I think so.
What the fuck?
Are you surfing again?
No, bitch. I was staying on my leg. You wanna motherfuckers? I'm tired of fucking driving. Stop fucking honking at me because I was staying in my lane.
I think you were surfing.
I wasn't.
You got too excited about Disneyland.
I just don't want to drive no more.
See?
Let me go enter, please.
Let
I
me go
don't-
enter.
Let me not crash you. Yeah, look. This is
Like right now.
That gets me past.
Just keep going straight.
Step.
Okay, let me go back.
This is how you know not to. What the fuck? Why are they all hunky? What did you leave open?
Nothing. Is it marking anything?
I don't know. I just don't know why they're
I
all
think they're all like getting you that.
I'm
You
not
fucking
doing that.
drive.
You know what? After this, I'm done driving. I'm done. I hate driving.
I already said it. I'm gonna drive for the next 2 appointments.
I don't care. I wanna go. I wanna be on the passenger side. You motherfucker's not hung. Dude, what am I doing? I'm not doing anything. I would understand if I was like fucking left to right.
You think you're not doing anything, but you are. Oh fuck! I just dropped your phone.
Jesus Lord. I'm gonna cut this fast.
Hey, look, see? That's why people honk at you. Cause you're fucking cutting.
Look at that car right there. They don't honk at him. What the fuck? Can I go left, right, left? I don't give
You
a
just
fuck.
go straight.
Who honked at me? was it?
I don't know. I just thought it was a white truck, but I don't know which one. There's a lot of white trucks here.
I think it's this one. Should I look at it?
No.
Let me see.
No, focus on the fucking road, dude.
If it's a fucking map, flip them off.
Why you
I'll take it off. She did fucking try.
You're so aggressive.
Like, I'm not doing shit. All I'm doing is switching lanes.
Exactly, but how are you switching lanes?
Without myself.
Exactly. That's why fucking people are honking at you. Follow your signals. That's what I say. How the fuck did you pass your license?
I'm a reckless driver.
You are. I thought I was bad.
I
Man.
swear, next time someone honks at me, I'm honking back at them. I am. This time I'm done. Like, I'm pissed off already. I'm pissed. Fucking someone honk at me right now. Honk at me. I will fucking honk at you back. Y te da hecho la madre. No,
Why?
don't fucking cost me.
Why are you trying to cause problems?
I don't give a fuck. They're honking at me. We're switching lanes.
Exactly, but you're not putting your signal.
She's the one that never puts her signal either.
But they don't honk at me. Shit, they love me.
They're just hating ass bitches, man. Oh, I think it was this one right here.
Which one?
The Jeep right here.
The Jeep.
Yeah,
Are you even sure?
I'm not honking. But I'm honking. I told you I was gonna do it.
You're such a bad driver. You're
Dude,
so,
I think
you're so mean, dude.
I told
You
you.
are
I told you it was a fucking Jeep, dude. I told you.
Wait, so you? Oh, maybe because you passed them.
Yeah.
Wait, was it a he or she?
It was a sheep.
Oh.
And then the lady right here in the van turned at me and smiled and she went like this. So what the fuck? What is it?
She's trying to make your day better.
Nah, fuck no. I'm gonna.
She probably felt bad for you because everybody's honking at you.
Dude, I swear that's like how many. I told you it was that fucking Jeep. But I was like, I'm gonna honk at her, and yeah, and she was laughing, motherfucker. She
Damn, dude.
I don't give a fuck. I'm mad right now.
You're just hangry. Let's just stop and get food.
I swear next time I'm gonna be like,
No, dude, because then you're gonna cause problems.
I don't know what I'm doing. Like, seriously.
Exactly, you don't know what you're doing.
Bitch, I only switched lane and she fucking honked at me. So I told you it was her, so I honked back at her.
Wait, it's not, nothing's open, right?
That's what I'm saying. Did you leave something open? Because
No, because it should mark right there.
it's not saying anything.
No. Wait,
I
we
thought-
didn't even open any doors.
I thought you had left like your gas shit open because that's
No,
what I did.
it won't let you go.
Oh no? Oh,
No.
Ferrastas, you know,
Perras, you had the manguera with you. And you'll still go.
why are you messing with Ferras? I'm a fuck.
You're the one that said it.
Ferras, man.
Oh, by the way, Ferras is her car. We've been saying Ferras this whole time, and they don't even know who Ferras is.
No, dude.
Yeah, that's her car. That's what she named her car. El Ferras.
Why? I'm scared to even look at people. Like,
Why?
someone honks at me, I'm done. And I'm like, I'm putting my finger out. I'm gonna fuck this time.
Look, see? Watch it with the curve.
I'm giving you a curve check.
What are you gonna do when, like, you finally upload your videos, like your makeup videos, and then you have your meet and greets?
I said I'm not afraid of them.
What's your goal on your makeup?
I said I'm not afraid of
Okay.
them.
Okay, let's
But
forget
when
about
someone else
that.
fucking honks at me, then I'm done. I'm gonna turn around.
Oh my
and
god.
fingers.
Stop being so aggressive.
No, I'm done. Don't talk to me right now.
It's a positive day, guys. Don't let anybody ruin your day ever.
I never ruined my day. I
You
just
know.
wanna honk again.
Exactly. You're all mad. Look at you. You're all pissed.
Nobody ever honked at me. That's why.
Well, because you're driving so bad. So you have to merge to the right.
How? There's a
To
bunch
your
of cars.
right. Well,
There's a
then
bunch
put
of
your
cars.
signal first of all. Let's put your signal. Put your light.
Nah, I'll find them. Smart.
Okay. And if they honk at you, then don't fucking say why they honked at you.
They're not gonna let me in. These people are assholes.
Can I go in? Can you let her in? Go,
Right
go.
here,
Right. You have
Ready?
plenty
Ready?
space.
He's gonna be like, Like this car's worse. I'm gonna honk at him too. Shit. If I get honked at, you guys get honked at. Oh. Jesus Lord. Then I could have sworn that lady started laughing after she honked at me. And then the other one honks and she goes like this. Bitch, what the fuck? Well, I don't know if they were trying to tell me something. Like, what if someone put in the back of your car honk at me or something?
What?
I don't know. Like, what if someone put it in the back of your car?
I would have seen it.
No, but you don't see shit.
I would have seen it. Like right now that I put gas, I didn't see anything.
No, you don't see. That's the problem.
Maybe she was just trying to make your day and say hi. That's it.
What about the other one? That fucking laughed at me.
Well, that's because you just felt bad for you.
You're dumb. I know how
To be honest.
It was just honk at a tire thing.
It was what?
Honk at a tire thing. Like seriously, I don't know.
I think that's a sign from God.
To stop driving.
Do not drive.
I swear, nobody ever honked at me. I drive freeway so many times.
Dude, I'm gonna laugh if you get a ticket.
Nah, bitch, I'm
Because
good.
you've never gotten a ticket either, so.
They're like, put the ticket on her. She has me going left and right, sir. Officer. Dude, I swear my ears are like.
Yeah, the altitude.
No,
The other one.
the honks.
You're all
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is honking at me?
You're traumatized.
I am, bitch. I'm like, what the fuck is honking now? Like, what the fuck? No.
Just change lanes.
No, bitch, every time I change lanes, I get a honk. No. I'm staying here forever.
I'm saying.
Forever.
What if you have to get out?
Okay, besides getting out.
Or else.
Don't honk at me, sir.
You're extra, dude.
I swear, one more honk. I'm getting down. I am getting down.
Oh, see? Look, see, that's why they honk at you.
I did that purposely. There was no one behind, okay? Make sure no one.
Like, make sure nobody's
My
like.
ears are like carrying. I swear, bitch. Sir, I am going in. Do not honk at me. It's so weird. I wonder, like, I don't know. Because I would have feared, like, someone was honking because something's open, you know? Like, come on,
No,
bitch. That was like 10 honks.
No, I think it was
Because I switched lanes without putting my signal.
exactly.
Bitch, I do that all the time. Nobody honks at me.
Well, I guess today people were having bad days and.
No, bitch. If you could have seen
Look
that
at you,
lady-
you're all pissed.
No, if you could have seen that lady. I'm going straight. I'm going to go straight up.
This is why people honk at you.
Should I go straight or take the streets?
Just go straight.
Not take the streets.
Oh my god.
I'm just kidding. What's it called? Give me easy.
I don't know.
Oh yeah. if you
Said
would've
about
seen
that lady.
The girl with the Jeep. Dude, she honked at me and she looked at me and she's like laughed. Like. Stupid. And then the other lady in the van, she honked and she's like, and I'm like, what the fuck? I was like, what the hell do I have? Like,
Probably they saw you somewhere and like you're
Bitch, I'm
famous
famous.
now.
Bitch, I am famous.
They're probably like trying to get your attention or something.
sir, I am going straight. Do not.
Do not honk at her.
Do not honk at me. Dude, that's so weird. I'm gonna go home and cry. I'm never driving again.
So upset about my driving skills.
Bitch, I swear, like, never happens. Never happens. And when it happens, I don't get to honk back.
You don't get what?
I don't get to honk back.
Because your shit doesn't work.
I know we have to fix it. It's bad.
That's why ahorita te estás echando.
Be like, can I speak to your manager?
That's why people honk at you.
And I will bring back the Starbucks. Be like, we're back an hour later. And we
No,
and we
3 hours
And we
later.
did not drink the Starbucks.
Here's your Starbucks. We did not like it.
I'm asking.
Really don't think we look alike. Well,
It
maybe
feels good
because
to
right
be
now
home.
I don't have my hair down. She has longer hair. She's fatter. It wasn't even that
But like
bad.
10 honks and shit.
That was you for your driving.
Nah, wait. Imagine this fucking one honks.
You're all traumatized, dude.
I'm gonna get off the car and fucking do something.
I think that was just at the freeway. You're driving. You're falling asleep.
I wasn't, dude, I swear. I could have sworn I was hearing.
Hearing what?
Like in my ears, I was like, who the fuck is honking now? Like I was good. I don't know. Maybe I probably just because of my switching lanes, because I put no signal.
And you were on the line thingy.
I'm telling you, I don't know how to calcularle with your van.
It's the same width. It's the same width.
How do you want me to go? There's a fucking car right here. Ahora si me la pitan y hasta me la rayan, dude. Me la rayan.
La pitan y te la rayan. Te la colorean y
me la ponen de todo. Hey.
everyone is liking all of them. Otra vez.
Oh, hell no.
That was random.
I'm giving up my license. I'm giving them up. Bitch, I didn't do anything.
I'm giving up my license.
I'm minding my own
What
business.
you do? Did you merge on the other lane?
No, I didn't.
You didn't get on his lane?
No, look how far I am from it.
No, I didn't see. That's why.
You fucking honked at me? You fucking honked. Sam, I'm at home now.
Not yet.
Some fucking socks. Dude, I swear, I was minding, like, literally like this.
You probably merged into, like, it looked like you were probably going that way.
Oh, that guy just shit.
He what?
Dude, I swear I didn't do anything. I'm gonna go home and cry. Ma, me pitaron, ¿saben cuántas veces en el freeway? Y ni estaba haciendo nada.
No sabes manejar. What the fuck?
I'm done.
Yeah, give it up, dude.
I'm fucking done.
Just give it up.
I'm done.
Just give it up.
Step.
No more.
That's dumb. I'm pissed.
That's what I'm saying. How the fuck did you pass your license?
No, I'm telling you, I'm driving good. Hey,
Well, apparently
am I
no.
hitting I'm gonna go check your battery.
There's nothing.
Dumb bitch! I fucking hate you! I fucking knew it! Get off, dude! I'm gonna fucking do your Starbucks.
Got it.
I'm never fucking vlogging with you, I can't! Oigan lo que hizo. Puso un sign afuera. Le dije, ¿por qué me están pitando? Ya me la pedía que bien.
Hey, no pegues.
Fucking